FYI, for your reference, guys, I have oily skin and I have acne-prone skin and I also have a little bit sensitive skin. Ganun! Hey guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a new skincare review for you guys, and today I'm going to review this one, the newest addition to the Senka family here in the Philippines, and that is the Perfect Whip Acne Care. So, eto siya guys, bagong launch lang siya. I think July siya nag-launch or last week of June. I ordered these sa Lazada guys, and when they arrived, naka-tape lang siya guys. Hindi siya sealed, talagang naka-tape lang yung mga dito, yung mga opening. I don't know if that's how it is in the mall. So, ayun, 2 weeks siya nag-standby sa Lazada app ko. Kasi, I'm a sucker of free shipping, guys. Namamahalan ako sa shipping fee sa Lazada, especially when they ship here in Mindanao. I am from Mindanao, kaya mahalang shipping dito. I think 100 plus, almost 200 pesos. So, ayun, nag-antay ako mag-free shipping or kahit half lang ng shipping fee yung mabayaran ko. And then, ayun nga, dumating na naging half yung shipping fee na nabayaran ko. So, I ordered these right away. I am super duper excited to review this today and to, like, when this arrived, talagang ginamit ko siya agad-agad. Kasi I am a fan. I am a huge fan of Senka, guys. Ever since I discovered Senka last November last year, it started with the blue one and then with the white clay, yung puti, tapos yung collagen, yung pink, and then now this is their 4th addition to their family. Talagang lahat ng Senka cleansers na dumaan sa akin and na-launch nila dito sa Philippines, naging super hiyang sa akin, guys. Kaya sobrang taas ng expectation ko dito. So, ganun ako excited when it arrived here in my house. Talagang ginamit ko siya agad-agad. So, it comes with 2 variants, guys. The 100 grams and 50 grams. So, ito yung travel size. And this one retails for... that I forgot. Tingnan ko muna guys kung magkano to. Etong 100 grams retails for 299 pesos, while the 50 grams or the travel size retails for 139 pesos. So, compared to the previous Senka cleansers, yung blue, white, and clay, yung blue, white, and pink, 120 grams yung regular size nila. But this one, it only comes in 100 grams. So, let's talk about this muna, guys. So, I've been using this for almost a week now. It's my 5th day actually of trying this one. So, almost a week na. And guys, I must say, talagang nagustuhan ko siya. Talagang lahat ng formulation ng Senka cleansers, hiyang na hiyang sa akin. Maybe because of the foam cleanser. Ever since I discovered foam cleansers, talagang na-inlove ako sa kanila. Kasi talagang sobrang hiyang ako sa kanila, guys, especially the Senka cleansers. So again, this is a Senka Perfect Whip Acne Care. This is a dual action cleanser. Why? Because this clears and cares facial foam cleanser is formulated with Shiseido's unique moisture boosting aqua in pool ingredient. So the same with the previous cleansers. Yan yung feeling ko main reason kung bakit hiyang ako sa kanila. But this one is added with salicylic acid, yung main ingredient dito. That's why it's acne care, because salicylic acid is famous in combating acne. It is famous for their anti-inflammatory properties. And then this is also infused with Kyoto chamomile extract. So that chamomile extract clears away the causes of acne. So si salicylic acid, tinitreat niya yung acne or yung pimples, but si chamomile extract, siya yung clears away, siya yung pinapalayas yung mga nakakapag-cause ng acne sa ating mukha. So this cleanser deeply cleanses and unclogs pores of deep-seated dirt, oil, dead skin cells, and makeup if you're a makeup wearer, while it deeply cares for your skin by protecting skin from unwanted dryness, keeping your skin beautiful, clear, and healthy. This is oil-free and dermatologically tested. So, yun yung description nito, guys. I'm reading ha. And guys, again, the main ingredients that this cleanser contains is salicylic acid and the chamomile extract, Kyoto chamomile extract. It is the work of the salicylic acid that removes stubborn dirt. It unclogs pores. It reduces sebum. Sebum is also oil, also known as oil. And it has anti-inflammatory properties. While the chamomile extract, it fights bacteria and protects skin from further damage. So, yung chamomile extract is famous for their antibacterial and antioxidant properties. So, this is really perfect for all of you guys who have acne-prone skin. FYI, for your reference, guys, I have oily skin and I have acne-prone skin and I also have a little bit sensitive skin. Ganun. Guys, 5 days na na-try ko siya. Almost a week now. Hindi naman ako nag-breakout, in fairness. Thank God. This one, mga ano na sila, guys. I think 3 weeks na yan andyan because of my previous breakout. But, ayan, wala na. Wala nang tumubo, guys. So, 5 days ko siyang ginagamit and so far, wala namang reaction from my skin. Thank God. And talagang sobrang taas ng expectation ko dito. Kaya every time naglalabas ang Senka ng cleanser, binibili ko talaga agad and tinatry ko kasi sure kasi ako na maghihiyang ako and hindi ako magbe-breakout, guys. Kasi hindi na mag-a-adjust yung skin ko kasi nga, tinatry ko na yung ibang products nila. Kasi basically, it is a foam cleanser, tapos may ina-add lang silang ingredients to fight that specific skin issue. Like this one, this fights acne. Ganun. The same with the other Senka cleansers. The way you use it is you put like 1 to 2 centimeters at the back of your palm or in your palm, and then you lather it with a 1 teaspoon of water, tapos pinapabula-bula mo siya, and then add another teaspoon of water, add hanggang lumubo na yung foam. Yun na yung ginagamit mo to massage your face and also your neck. So ganyan yung ginagawa ko, guys. Minsan I think I added up to 3 or 4 teaspoons, tapos talagang pag lumubo na yung foam, doon ako parang gusto ko na siyang ilapat sa mukha ko. Tapos, I massage it on my face for 1 to 2 minutes. Pinaka-maximum na siguro yung 2 minutes, guys. Tapos, kung nagmamadali ako, mga 45 seconds to 1 minute. Ganon. So, yung foam pala dito, guys, it has the same explanation with the other Senka cleansers. It contains the micro-dense foam. It is small enough to enter your pores and to clean your pores. Ganon siya. It has 5 times denser foam that consists of finer particles that easily slips through pores and removes deep-seated dirt in skin, which causes dullness. This is allergy tested, it has no colors added, and it is suitable for all skin types. So even if you have dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, as long as you're acne prone, this is okay for you. I have oily skin and acne prone skin, and this for 5 days talagang walang reaction sa skin ko. Talagang maganda siya. But I must say, compared to the other Senka cleansers, ito yung medyo malakas yung amoy. Hindi siya yung malakas na talagang super disturbing yung amoy. Hindi naman ganon. But compared to the other Senka cleansers na mild scent siya, yung iba unscented, this one, talagang maaamoy mo na may amoy. Ganon. But it's not disturbing. It's still mild, but a bit stronger compared to the other cleansers. But I still like it. So far, talagang nagandaan ako sa kanya, guys. Hindi nag-dry yung skin ko. Kahit na cleanser siya, yung parang pagkatapos mong maghilamos, ganito kasi yung effect ng mga Senka cleansers. Pagkatapos mong maghilamos, yung feeling na malinis yung mukha mo, pero hindi dry. Hindi yung super dry. Talagang may hydration pa rin natitira sa mukha mo, pero fresh, pero malinis. Ganun yung feeling niya, guys. So, that's what I like about the Senka cleansers. And so far, this is a thumbs up for me. So, if you have acne-prone skin, and if you like the other Senka cleansers, then this is also a must-try, guys. As in, it's highly recommended. I super duper love it. If you want to check this out, it is available nationwide. It's also available in Shopee and Lazada sa kanilang Senka flagship store, and also in Watsons, and nationwide siya, guys. Basta, maganda siya, guys. It's affordable, but the quality is super the best. The best cleanser in the whole wide world. So far, wala pang nakakatalo sa mga Senka perfect cleansers ko. Ganun ko sila kalab. So, that's it, you guys, for today's video. I hope that you like it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. That's it, you guys. Thank you again so much for watching. Stay safe, stay home, and God bless everyone. I love you. Mwah!